Hello there, welcome back. So this is a 2006 BMW 525. So what happened? The gas door won't open. So normally I press it to unlock it. It won't do anything. So I have to get an elastic band and some crazy glue. So what I do, I get a fine thumbtack. I get a thumbtack, and there are two clips right here. You're gonna press them up. Press it to pull out this piece right here. You can see right there. So what I do, I put some crazy glue on the elastic band so it can stick to this piece right here. So all I need to do, just put the glue on it and keep the door shut for about 25 minutes or maybe less until the glue dry, and then you can able to lock and unlock your gas tank cover, which is right here. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.